Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Remember Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Well, guys, there's been a lot of FUD, which is fear, uncertainty, and doubt, coming down lately. A lot of people are talking about different things. Kaspa is going to have a sharp bear run. The price is going to drop. Saw someone talking about the uh, companies that sell miners are buying up shares so people will buy more Caspa mining equipment, which is possible. And people are talking about Caspa would never get to an all time high again. And people were saying it would go down to 2 cents and 3 cents and under 2 cents. So I just want to put this up here. Kaspa's Fuders when Kaspa hits top 10. Because as you see, Kaspa's been going up, right? I'm not saying it's going to be replacing Ethereum or bigger than Bitcoin, but there's a lot of momentum towards Kaspa. And there's a lot of FUD from certain YouTubers. I'm not going to name names or point fingers at anybody, right? It's not even important. All that is important is you continue to hold and just watch the market. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But Caspa has a pretty good application and development team. And the founder of Caspa was working on the Bitcoin development team. So if that's not enough reason to at least research it, I'm not saying to remortgage your house or sell your car to buy Caspa, but just DCA, which is dollar cost average in. And I also noticed I was trying to buy, well, I bought Caspa on Trade Ogre, but you can't, I can't export it to my wallet. So let me know if you guys are having any problems with that. It's still sitting there, so I own it, but I can't get it off the exchange. So let me go to a video real quick from Blockchain Daily. Then I'm going to look at a video from Crypto John. So let's see what Blockchain Daily says.
Watch this guy. Cass, where the Fudders at? 10 hearts for that. 3 thumbs up. Where are the Fudders, man? There were people calling for 1 cent Cass on the timeline. I saw it over and over again. They were saying, Cass, the fun is over. It was a fun ride. Now we're gonna see 1 cent before you know it, right? So where are they at, man? Point me to them. I need to see where they at, man. And again, when it comes to this space, people never admit when they're wrong. They never own up. They never take accountability, right? Take some accountability, man. Matty Dix, I'm bullish on Cass 51 to 100x 2025. 12 thumbs up for that. 15 hearts. I really do believe that $1 to $5 Cass is on its way, man. Rollman Mining, selling Cass now is like selling BTC for $1. Psh, couldn't say it better myself. 12 thumbs up, 13 hearts. K- Yo, these coin market cap names are hilarious. KDA is trash. All those Casper haters call that Casper will never be this high again. Lol, they must be eating their nails. Man, they must be. 16 hearts for that. 10 thumbs up. Dan Alexander, Cass is digital silver, 6 hearts, 6 thumbs up. And from cryptonews.com, best crypto to buy right now for the September roundup, Kaspa, right? Now, we don't have to mention any other projects at all. We have the ETF that is happening soon. Momentum oscillators align in favor of continued Kaspa gains, right? We have a nice article from cryptonews.com mentioning CAS as one of the best projects to buy for September and the future as well. Let's be honest, right? Jim Skibum, the RSI divergence indicator has now flipped green on the weekly. A few days ago, it flipped green on the 3-day, which was a leading indicator for the 1 week chart. Outlined below are prior examples where RSI diversions flipped green on the weekly and what followed. Well, we are still in this crazy uptrend for Kaspa, man. And the next stop, 10 to 14 cents, right? After we bounce from here, you see every time we bounce from here, we made these moves up, bang, bang, you know, guess what happens next? Bang, right? 10 to 14 cents on the way for Cas, sooner than most people think, man. From Crypto Phoenix, I did lots of research on different coins, but nothing to me ever came close to the fundamentals of Cas. In my opinion, Cas is the only coin that could work as a global currency, and that's what that's what crypto is like main goal is. That's what Bitcoin was created for. We replaced the dollar, right, the fiat currency, right, for a new currency, a global currency, a new digital currency, right? And Kaspa is achieving that goal. Like, you know, for example, like, Bitcoiners out there, the Bitcoin Max, Bitcoin can't be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. So what did they say? Oh yeah, it's a store of value. At first they were like, yeah, Bitcoin is going to be the new money. Like, we don't have to use fiat anymore. We're just going to transact in Bitcoin. Then we see scaling issues, right? The scaling issues. Bitcoin ordinals went live. All of a sudden, transaction fees for Bitcoin through the roof. 10 to $50 to transact on Bitcoin. It's very slow, right? Extremely slow. Again, Caspa fixes all of those shortcomings that BTC has. Now, BTC will be, in my opinion, the store of value that the maxis have named it now, because it's not capable of being a electronic cash system anymore, right? Um, but we still need that electronic cash system, and I do believe Caspa is that, right? Please note, I'm not saying it will be a global currency, but I see it as the only one having the potential to be that. And I agree with you here, Crypto Phoenix. I would like Casper to be a long-term contender for the open financial system, and while keeping faithful to fundamentals of Satoshi. So in a sense, Casper aims to implement a vision which once upon a time was Bitcoin's vision. Jonathan Sampolinsky. And to close the video out from Captain Sats, check Casper, currency founded by the same academics behind Ghost Inclusive, which is used in ETH, Filecoin, and Polkadot. Spectre and Phantom, with Charles Cardano founder, talks about below. Casper is breaking NC proof of work record. So Cardano uses Spectre and Phantom, and Filecoin, Polkadot, and Ethereum use Ghost. And
So I do agree with Blockchain Daily, and even to the point of what he was saying here with the Caspa Phoenix. So again, this is not financial advice, and I just want to note here. Please note, I'm not saying it will be a global currency. And I just also want to emphasize, it has good fundamentals. It has a good development team. It has no CEO or no business that's running behind it, which is kind of probably why it hasn't been listed. But I do question if it will get adopted because it doesn't have a lot of big money lobbyists or people behind it. It's a good technology that will be useful in the future. It has good fundamentals, but I don't know that there's a lot of people behind it pumping it. And I think that might be its only downfall. But I do think it's a good project to research. And I think worst case scenario, another coin or cryptocurrency will adopt it and then it take off from there. If it doesn't take off by itself, it does have good enough fundamentals to be adopted by another coin or process or something else down the lines. So let's look at the numbers real quick, and then we'll go to the video from Crypto John, or I might just make another video. I'll probably make another video because I think this is kind of running long. So hash rate is 20.16 petahash, which is way up from, I remember when it was like 4 or 5 petahash. Um, percent mined is 71.17%. Next reduction is 22 days down to 165 cash. And I did finally hit blocks. I think I hit 4 blocks yesterday. So that might have been 700 coins. But just keep that in mind. TPS is 2.2. BPS is 1.2. So TPS is transactions per second, and BPS are blocks per second. Current supply is 20.6 billion. Latest price is 0.048. Trading volume is 27 million. Market cap is 998 million, and it's up to 206. So keep in mind too, the price is going to fluctuate for the next couple of days, right? As people see the price go up, they sell off, and we want you guys to diamond hand it, right? Hold it as long as possible, kind of like the GameStop situation where the investors hailed and the price went up. You could sell now, but you're going to miss out, right? So you can sell to take profit, but not financial advice. I would hold on at least to $1 or more and then start taking profit. You can see here we had 2 whales, 11 sharks, 32 dolphins, 27 fish. Looks like 130 octopus sold, 524 crabs added, and 475 shrimp. Top 10 addresses own 16.3%. Top 100 addresses own 34.5%. Top 1,000 addresses own 61.6%. Crypto bubble is showing CAS is down 1.3% for the day, which is common, right? It's going to be retracement. It goes up, people dump it, and it's going to go down a little bit. So there's nothing to panic about here. The last hour, it's down 2%. I mean, if you were up 15% yesterday, there's going to be some retracement, right? Just keep in mind for the week, it's still up 22%. For the month, it's up 25.4%. And look closely, there's not a lot of green in the monthly chart there. And for the year, it's up 1,143. So we're back in the 1,000% gains. So keep an eye on that as well. Here's live coin watch saying the market cap is 987 million. Trading volume is 24.2 million. Volume versus cap is 2.35. Last hour we're down 1.89%. As Bitcoin is down, as Ethereum is down as well. Last 24 hours it's up 1.05%. Last 7 days it's up 21.35%. Last 30 days it's up 25.39%. Last 90 days is up 130.8, which is close, slightly behind Ethereum and a little bit above Bitcoin. And for the year, it's up 1,049%. Circulating supply is 16.3 billion. Total supply is 16.3 billion. Max supply is 28.7. Market cap is 988 million. 24-hour range, it's up 7.53%. The low was 0.046, and the high was 0.050. And then we'll go to our friends here at CoinGecko. Remember CoinGecko, we're with you guys. Rank is 44, so I think we went down 1. I think we're at 42, 43 yesterday. Price is 0.0476, down 0.7%. Bitcoin's up 13.1%. Market cap is 997 million. Circulating supply is 20.6 billion. Total supply is 20.6 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 26 million. Fully diluted valuation is 1.3 billion. And we'll see here. CoinGecko does give us the 24-hour high and low. 24-hour high is 0.0419. Sorry, 24-hour low is 0.0149. 24-hour high is 0.050. 7 days is 0.0375, and high is 0.0502. Trading volume is 26.2 million. Market cap is 44. So we'll see here. Coin market cap still has us at 206, up 0.65%. Market cap is 983 million. Current price is 0.047, up 0.63% in the day. 24-hour trading volume is up 33.4% to 27 million. Volume versus cap is 2.79. Circulating supply is 20.6 billion. Total supply is 20.6 billion. Max supply is 27.7. Fully diluted market cap is 1.3 billion. So remember, guys, Kaspa. Let me know what you think about the price action and the movement. Also, let me know what you think about what's going on in the market and how Kaspa will fare. And I'll try to get a price prediction video out. I've been trying to do some research about that before. So this is Jim Skibaum. Kaspa has been lagging against ADA and Ethereum fractions from 2020 that we've been following over the last couple months, though it didn't keep the original pace, likely due to lackluster price action from Bitcoin. With the recent retest of CAS at all-time highs, it shows, let's see, all-time high, and once again, interesting look at the fractionals. So let's go back to the Twitter page and see that the Twitter page is picking up. We're at 99, so there are people joining, which is good. And this is Kaspa News. Kaspa, the revolutionary new crypto, the new currency and crypto industry. Fix money, fix the world. Kaspa Digital Silver, fix money, fix world. Correct me, I'm sorry if I said that wrong. Kaspa, company-less community project with minimal funding. 8 million funding reaches market cap of 1 billion. Heights of project that are run by well-funded companies. 63 million to 350 million funding. The project funding market cap rank. See, we got to go here. Lido, 75 million to 1.3 million, 35. That might be supposed to be billion. Definitive, 166.9 million to 1.3 billion, 37. Atos, whatever this is, 350 to 1.2 billion, number 38. Optimus, 175.5 million to 1 billion, 40. Maker, ADO, 63 million to 1 billion, 41. Kaspa, 8 million to 1 billion, 43. And Arbitron, 143.7 million to 1 billion, 44. The sky's the limit, but Kaspa is going to make quick stop at the grocery before continuing to the moon. That's more information about Kaspa. But remember, guys, Kaspa. Continue to hold. If you want to take profit, do what you want. It's not financial advice. Just telling you guys for entertainment purposes. But I'm going to hold for now and probably look to make a move around the dollar or to see how far it goes up. And hopefully I'll get that price prediction video out next. But I want you guys to have a good time. Relax. Try not to stress out. And just keep an eye on the Kaspa. This is Black Tiger Miner signing out. And remember, let's Kaspa. And let's get back to the money, guys.